Hello everyone, I'm Shobit Jaiswal and today we are attending FutureX, which is the alumni meet of all the graduates of International Medical University located in Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan. And in this event, we have asked all those students who have now become doctors in India after clearing FMG to come and attend. And we have one such doctor with us now. So I would like to ask her to introduce herself. आपका क्या नाम है and आप कहाँ से इंडिया में?
Basically, my name is Shivani and I'm from Haryana, Panipat. And I had studied in Ukraine first of all. Then we took transfer to the Kyrgyzstan due to the war conditions and COVID conditions. And by moving to the Kyrgyzstan, we also saved our 1 year because in Ukraine we have 6-year program and here we have 5 years program. So you basically save your 1 year
Right.
and you can utilize that 1 year in your NEET PG preparation.
Alright.
Yes.
So अभी आप ऑलरेडी यहाँ से 1 ईयर का 2 ईयर का अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिया है किर्गिस्तान का. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, विच इज़ अ क्वेश्चन दैट मोस्ट पेरेंट्स आस्क जिनकी डॉटर्स होती हैं, व्हाट अबाउट द सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन किर्गिस्तान?
Safety issues are not there because hostels are only built in the campus only.
Alright.
So you have the security system also, you have the guards also there. So the girls are not that much afraid of the things there, and the safety purpose is very good.
Alright. Second question that I would like to ask, that you have said that there is a campus. तो campus में क्या क्या चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं?
Campus में all the things are available. Your university is there, your library is there, your canteen is there, and your hostel is there. And you can also you have different parks there also.
Alright.
You can go around.
And अभी तो Indian mess भी वहाँ पे
Yes,
start
Indian mess is also.
So Indian mess is also there within the campus. Now next thing that I want to ask is कि आपने जब पढ़ाई की and now you have already cleared FMG, तो आपकी preparation कैसी थी?
Basically, we have to start studying from the first year onwards, and then because when we come here and if we start at that time, we can't do much because at that time you are going to only score the marks. You are not going to gain the knowledge. For gaining the knowledge, you have to start studying from first year.
Alright.
Yes.
So अभी जो भी बच्चे जा रहे हैं किर्गिस्तान में, स्पेशली इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी, तो उनको कोचिंग प्रोवाइड की जा रही है.
Yes.
So आप इस कोचिंग का क्या रोल बताएंगे इन द लाइफ ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर जर्नी ऑफ क्लियरिंग FMG?
Basically, the coaching they helps us the duration of your 6-year course of MBBS. They short the content of the all 19 subjects, and they help us to gain the more PYQs and PYTs. They focus on more on the PYTs. That basically comes in the FMG exams.
ऑलराइट. तो बेसिकली जो आप कहना चाहते हैं कि अगर जो बच्चे को कोचिंग मिल रही है तो वो ये समझ सकते हैं कि क्या एग्जाम में चीजें आने वाली हैं, उनको
Yes.
ट्रेंड पता चल जाता है
Yes.
एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो लास्ट थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क इज, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एट इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी विद डॉक्टर अनिल, विद नीलम मैम?
They were very helpful to us, and they gave immense support to us. Neela ma'am, day before yesterday only, I was discussing some problem with Dr. Neelam, and she she's very good. She is your mother only. Yes, and Dr. Anil Bhaiya is also very good. Very good.
ऑलराइट. सो आई थिंक आपने काफ़ी अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी है, एंड जो भी बच्चे एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, आई थिंक इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर देम. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम, एंड अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट फॉर बिकमिंग अ डॉक्टर, एंड होप कि आप आगे और भी एग्जाम्स क्लियर करें एंड आप इंडिया के एक बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर बने. थैंक यू सो मच.